What's happening, everybody? How are doing? We're up here at the property, just giving Mama Bear some time for herself. So we're out here just gonna have a little fun, make a fire.
Dad, look what I found.
Yes. The whole plan is to clean up this tree line right here because it kind of cuts right into a weird angle in the property, and we is going to clean it up. So it's got some barbed wire in there that we got to pull out. I'm going to get the Bobcat. I'm going to see if I can't get these staples out of here and pull it out. We'll see. So that's the plan. Let's check it out if it works. First, we're going to build a fire so we can stay warm. Yes. All right, girls, hold on. Don't just throw sticks in the pile, because we first got to make a small fire, and then we got to build up on it. If we put too much on there, it's not going to let us build. Put it in a pile. You got it. Guys, notice something?
Yeah.
No animals.
Yeah.
We are animal free. Livestock is gone. So those responsibilities are over. That's good. One less thing to worry about. And yeah. So, not sure if this is the right way to do it. I'm using just these metal cutters. They are rusty. Which is no good. But I'm using these to try to get it off of the posts, because notice we have the staples, and I don't want to just come in with the Bobcat and rip this out, because it might pull up and staples might come flying out, and I don't want just a bunch of big metal staples all over the place where you can't find them, and then one day I mow the lawn and booyah, flat tire, something like that. So I'm gonna see if this works, or if I try with the Bobcat just to rip it up and see if it stays in place. But yeah, we'll see. It cuts pretty easy. I wish I had some real big loppers, but this will have to do for now. And we'll see if I can just I want to get my gloves on, maybe use two hands, just so I'm not dying after this.
Why are you doing that?
Why are you asking me questions? See, it's a little bit. See, like that one can come off. This one's. All right, so that frees up that post. So then I can take the Bobcat and probably pull that post up. Well, anyway, let's get a fire started first. Get warm. All right, got a fire going. That'll go for a little bit, give us a nice little, some warmth. What do you think, girls?
Yep. I can't wait to burn some stuff.
So maybe let's get to work. All right, change of plans. Snipping those things one by one is going to be a pain in the butt. I don't really have good loppers, so that's not going to work out that well. Plus, a lot of that barbed wire is kind of, it's all stuck inside, inside like the trees and brush and whatever else is in there. So I think I'm just gonna get the Bobcat and see what happens when I just try to pull up a bunch of it. Let's see. So anyway, let's try that. Plan B. All right, so I went down most of the tree line here, or the fence line, and I kind of just started ripping it out. And honestly, there's not a whole lot you can do to ensure that you're not gonna pull out the staples. I mean, some of them stayed in, of course, but some just ripped out. And I don't know, it is what it is. Hopefully they just rot or get into the ground and rust and fall apart to a point where they won't mess up any of the I don't know, like a tire or something. Anyway, ripping them up out of the ground. Some of the ones are hard to get to because you got big old trees in the way, so I'm gonna have to, what is that? Dirk's pressure? Creosoted. Something like that. So I'm going to come in here and like chop down these small trees. I'm going to keep the big nice ones, but everything else, like small trees and like that bush and some other junk, I'm going to get rid of it.
Daddy.
But what is that? What is that?
Can you put some gasoline in there?
No, you need wood. Hey, look, there's some wood right there. There's a nice stick. Actually, right where did I see there was a whole bunch of dead tree? There's a dead cedar. Right there, a whole dead cedar. Right there. We can pull this out and burn it. Okay? So, and then there's some on this side, girls, if you want to go and get some of those. Anyway, I'm gonna go warm up, get the fire going a little more, and then I'm not really sure what to do from here exactly. Honestly, I'm not 100%. We'll see. I mean, it's a nice day. Get the girls out, you know. Let them play around, explore, play with the fire. No, those are wet. You don't need wet leaves. Ew, this fire's gonna die. We need some love. Break those sticks in good sized pieces and throw them in.
Daddy, I know what the best sticks are. I know they are. They're those sticks, the ones that have the little.
Well, all those guys, that's all kind of wet wood. This is dry stuff, okay?
And also
Push some of this stuff together. Push the ashes together, guys.
and I'll need
Or not the
scissors.
ashes, but the coals, whatever's left at least. There you go.
The fire's gonna die, Dad.
Oh, it's not gonna die yet.
Can you put gas on it?
No, you need wood. You need something for the gas to burn. We already have it started, guys. We don't need gas. And this ain't we ain't burning any. We're having a bonfire, not a gas fire. Okay, put that down. You look like you're about to do something bad. Put it down. Put it down. It's dirty too. Put it down, please. Why aren't you listening? Oh, are you kidding me, Alex? Mom is gonna kill you.
What
She's dead. What happened is she burned her coat. You're done, girl. Mom's not gonna be happy with you at all.
My coat is already ripped because it's too old. I don't want to.
This is why you girls don't take sticks out of the fire. Either she's dead or I'm dead. I don't know which one it is. We'll find out, I guess, when we get home.
You made it come.
You're upset? I know. It's upsetting. Hey, you're gonna spill all the gas. That's okay. You guys are, I don't know. It's all right. It's just a coat. We'll fix it.
I don't think we're gonna get another one.
Now, brought some snacks, some treats with us. How's your marshmallow look? Let me see. Yeah, it looks really good.
She put hers in the fire. She put it into the.
Don't just put it in the fire, goofball. Put it outside of the fire. It will just in the hot area. Don't stand where the wind is going.
How is it?
Here
This
too.
marshmallow.
Yeah, yours is on fire again. Blow it out. All right, yours is done. All right, what other snacks do we have here? Chunks. Blow it, girl. Yours is done. Just eat it. Alright, so that's the video. Thanks for watching. Just having some fun out at the property, getting some time away with the girlies. You girls have a good time?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Especially with the cookie.
Especially with
Fire.
the fire. They love them little pyromaniacs. Anyway, till next time, we'll see you later. Peace!